Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lucia. I'm a native Chinese speaker living in New Zealand now. I created this channel to introduce Chinese vocabulary to those who are learning Chinese or are interested in Chinese culture. In each of my videos, I will introduce one Chinese character, explaining its meanings, usages, giving example phrases and sentences, and definitely its subtle meaning in Chinese culture. So if you're interested in this topic, please go on watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notification. Okay, let's get started.
Hello everyone! Today we continue to talk about seasons. So which season do you think those pictures are about? As we still talk about typical situations of places that have 4 seasons like China, those pictures show the wheel of 夏, which means the season summer in English. Okay, let's read together. 夏夏夏西一啊夏西一啊夏西一啊夏 Okay, let's see the origin of Xia. It originally means the people of China, which is actually the name of an ancient tribe in Central Plains in ancient China. As you can see, this character is evolved from the look of a human being. Here. Do you think they look similar? Okay, of course, now this word is mostly used to indicate the second season of the year, summer. And if you are talking about the history of ancient China, it's also a name of a dynasty at that time. Okay, let's start from its original meaning. There is a word called 华夏华夏华夏 which is another way of saying China. So we Chinese people also call ourselves 华夏儿女华夏儿女华夏儿女 Okay, meaning the son and the daughter of China. So we can say 我们都是华夏儿女我们都是华夏儿女我们都是华夏儿女 Okay, that is we are all Chinese people. Okay, those things very culture featured words and sentences. As a result, they are normally used in the significant occurrence like grand events or formal speeches rather than the daily conversation. And speaking of sentences, there was a very popular saying among Chinese netizens not long ago, which is 此生不悔入华夏此生不悔入华夏此生不悔入华夏 Okay, meaning I will never regret to be a Chinese in my whole life. This sentence comes from a Chinese comic, The Rabbit of that Year, which tells some important military and diplomatic events in Chinese history in a humorous way. So this sentence clearly shows the honor and pride to be a Chinese of the Chinese young generation, as it's doubtlessly proved countless times in history that Chinese people are always well protected by their country. Okay, the second phrase I'd like to talk about is the common word 夏天夏天夏天 Okay, do you still remember 春天, which we learned in my last video? Okay, if you forgot, I've put the link here so you can check later. Okay, 夏天 definitely means the summer, but do you have any confusion, like what's the difference between 夏 and 夏天, as it both mean summer? And if you know another word, 夏季夏季夏季 okay, which also means summer, do you feel confused about their difference? Okay, actually there is no big difference between them as they share the same meaning, but as 天 means the day and the 季 means the season, 夏天 is more commonly used in general context, like daily conversation when you talk to your neighbors. And 夏季 is more used in meteorological context, like documentary. Okay, so it's not that commonly used in daily life, but overall in practice, you can use either of them to mean summer. Okay, for 夏 and 夏天, that shows the evolution of Chinese language. In ancient Chinese language, there were more single-word phrases than two or more words phrases. But as the development of the society, we have more meaning to express. That makes it hard to express things just by one word sometimes. And at the same time, there are too many words share the same pronunciation, like 夏. We have another word, 夏. Okay, which is pronounced exactly the same as 夏. You can see here, right? But the meaning is totally different. So in order to minimize misunderstanding, we change one word into two or more words to make it much easier and faster to communicate. And what's more, in speaking, two words sound better than one word, as one word Chinese is too abrupt in daily conversation. So that is why we always say 夏天 rather than 夏. And we say 春天 rather than 春, though they mean the same. Okay, that's all about 夏 for the time limit. I hope my explanation is simple and understandable. You can list other phrases you know about 夏 in the comment section if you like. And at last, I still have a little quiz for you. How to say summer is coming. That's easy, right? Because we have learned how to say the spring is coming in my last video. Please leave your answer below. And do you still remember the quiz from my last video? That is, what is the basic way to greet someone in Chinese Spring Festival? Okay, the answer is 春节好. 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 Okay, have you made it right?
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks very much for watching and congratulations on your improvement in Chinese learning. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please leave your message below. And again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.